Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this video. Now, today I'm here to show you DealFully. This is a brand new software that hasn't really come out. I've got the ability to offer it to you today as a founder's special, and it includes white label rights, which basically means you're able to sell it, make 100% of the profits when you actually go out and sell the software. So you can use this yourself. You can actually sell agency licenses to this, and you can also sell a range of different packages with this software to make money. You get to keep 100% of the profits as you sell the software. So what is this software and how does it work? Well, let me first of all show you a few examples of this software in action. So what the software does is it basically creates deal pages, and these are deal pages you can use to advertise over Facebook, you can use on your website, you can use for special promotions, bonus promotions, website promotions, sales promotions, and it will allow you to add certain information to these. Basically, it'll allow you to add a video. It'll allow you to add some information beside that video. Then you can add in an image of what it is you're offering, and then you can add in the normal price and the discounted price or the discount you're offering and the deal. So this can be used with online promotions like digital software, as you can see right here, and you can customize everything to work as you want. Then as people go to this page, they can click and they'll go directly to PayPal or whatever different payment processor you're using. You can also do this for events. So as you'll see here, this is an event where there's actually VIP 2-for-1 entry to a club called Vive, and it includes these special benefits. Normal price is $50, discounted price is $25. You could post this onto Facebook. It has a countdown timer to add scarcity as to when the event is, and then you can go ahead and sell these packages. So this is great if you're working with businesses. If you're working with a business, for example, you could set this up for a business, charge them for it. If a business wanted to get access to this software to do this themselves, they could pay you a certain amount of money in order to get access to the software. You keep 100% of the profits, and then you can create them then they can create their own pages of this. So very easy software to use as well, and this is basically how you use it. If you go over here, you go to edit, and you'll be able to open up one of these campaigns. Now, this is the event campaign that I showed you just a moment ago. You call the title whatever you want, so you could add demo campaign. You customize the URL you want as well. You can add a background. You can select a background image if you want. You can also select background repeat, which basically means the background will repeat depending on what type of background you want. You can add a background video as well if you want instead of the image. And then you've got video settings here. You can add a video from YouTube. You can add a video from Vimeo or an .mp4 video as well. Then select the video width, select the video height, choose to autoplay. You can customize controls. You can customize anything about the video itself. You've then got the ability to add a headline, so you can customize this headline as you want, change the fonts, change the color, change anything about it. You can customize the image that's featured, and you can also add a description to this deal here so people are clear what they're getting access to. Add the normal price, add the current price, and then you can also choose what type of payment type you want as well. You can choose PayPal, you could choose JVZoo if you wanted to, any sort of payment type that you want, you can customize within this part here. Then you've got your deal box. This is basically, as you saw, the deal square that showed the deal. You've got the content box, you've got whether there's a limit, and once this limit sells out, then the page will close down. You've got your countdown settings, so date and time, and then the expiry message once you do run out of time. The terms and conditions, if you want to add them in, you can add an exit splash. You can add a pop-up if you want as well to improve the effectiveness of this page. And then you can add meta settings such as the image and the information you might want to include for social sharing or for SEO. When you're done, you can click Save Changes, and then you can preview what your page looks like. So not only will you be able to do this yourself, but you can also, as I mentioned, sell this to businesses. You could charge for these pages, or you could actually sell accounts online to this software. And how that works is this here is the agency dashboard. So if you're working with a client, for example, and you want to give that client access to their campaigns, then you can actually add them. They could log into the software and they could access their campaigns. They can monitor them. They can see how many leads they're generating, and they'll only get access to their campaigns through this dashboard here. You can just send them this URL and they'll sign up. They'll be able to then get access to their campaigns. If you have people that you're selling to online, then your users, it'll show what level they've purchased, whether they've purchased the ability to help clients, whether they've purchased at a developer level, or whether they're a regular client. And then they can log into their own dashboard. They can access everything within here, and they'll be able to use the DealFully software, and you'll be able to manage them and make money off every person that signs up. So that's all done through here, and all the settings are in the sidebar here as well. And if you want to have people signing up for different packages, there's 3 different types of levels this software comes with. So you can say, you can have a tiered pricing system. So you could charge, for example, $37 for developer, $57 for agency, and you could charge $29 or $39 for client. You can really choose what you want to charge within the software, and then you can use this URL to add it into JVZoo or add it into another payment processor like PayPal. So when someone purchases from you, automatically they're signed up for the right membership for them. Then you've got the ability to customize this software. So you're getting white label rights, and that means you'll be able to customize the front page of this package that you're selling, and you'll also be able to create your own deals through this as well. Customize your logo. You could call this something else if you don't want to call it DealFully when you're selling it. You don't want people going back to this website. You can customize that if you want, and you can basically make this entirely your own, as if you created the software yourself, which is really, really useful. So if you want to get access to this software, it's available at a 3-day special. It's going to be open for a one-time cost, and for 3 days you're going to be able to get access to this for a super low cost of $197. And keep in mind, this software probably costs thousands of dollars to create. You're getting full rights to the software to sell it as you want. It's a new software, so there's very few people out there selling it right now, and you'll be able to basically take this software, sell it to your subscribers, and make money. You could advertise it on Facebook as well. You can rebrand it as you want, and there's a lot you can do with this package. So go down below to find out more. There's also a number of bonuses down below that will help you with this software as well. I'm Sam Becker. Thanks for listening. I'll talk to you soon. See you later.